Where you have a lot of the same types of transactions, viewing them individually on the screen or in reports can become a bit cluttered. That's where the CashFlowMapper grouping function comes in handy. You can group transactions under a single heading, and that heading is reported as a single line throughout the software if you choose. We work with grouping at list view. You can see the groups that already exist: costs and revenue, and this GST is a tax group. Note that the tax group is system generated and can't be edited. It captures all the transactions and always appears at the bottom of your plan. Refer to the video on tax reporting for more details on this. Ungrouped transactions are shown up the top here and reported individually. To add and remove groups, we'll add a group here. Here's our new group. Let's put some transactions into it. And let's do this one as well. And there's our transactions in our new group. We might decide we no longer want new group, so we can delete the group, but our transactions remain and they get reverted back to ungrouped. You can also change the order of groups reporting. I might want revenue to appear above costs, so I'll simply do that, and there it is. Let's see how the commentaries are affected by groups. Basically, it's the group that's reported as a summary of the transactions within it. So firstly, let's go to calendar view. The loan transaction, you can see, has an asterisk next to it. That denotes that it's an ungrouped transaction. You can see that for the group revenue there's an inflow of $9,500. This is the sum of the sales and contract sales inflows, which both occur on this day. The total tax on all transactions for the day is shown too. And here's where we can show detail. Same with the graph view. If we want to show detail, we simply do this. As with all editing in CFM, it's easy to do this by using the template we've already created from our plan. So we can go to Export, select our plan details and transactions. Let's see what this looks like. Here's the export of our plan. And then here's the export with some added transactions and sorted by groups. This is the order we'd like to see everything. So when we import it, that's how the plan will appear in our list view and our transaction reports. What we've done is added a new group called projects, put some transactions in it. We've sorted all the costs in alphabetical order. Going back to here, here's our upload. You can see all the changes that have been made, and ungrouped transactions still appear at the top of the plan. Now to export some reports, we can export this model transaction report on a grouped or ungrouped basis. Let's take a look at them. In the ungrouped report, each transaction along with its respective tax is listed separately, as you can see. In the group report, all transactions are summarised by groups, as are all tax transactions. Obviously, the more transactions you have, the more likely you'll be to group them, and that will make your reports, both online and exported, easier to read.